am Dr. Kimberly, owner of Holistic Healthcare Centers in Lisle, Illinois, and today I want to talk to you as a patient instead of a provider. So I've made many videos about taking care of yourself and suggestions if you have different ailments and things like that, but part of being a good provider is also having good self-care. So I am fortunate enough to work in this amazing facility with these spectacular other providers and practitioners and doctors. And as a result, I am able to get much self-care, of which as a professional, as a parent, as a person, is very important to me. Just like I say to all of my patients, it's very important to have self-care. So a few areas of care I would like to talk about today is one is going to be energy therapy. Energy therapy is kind of a unique form of healthcare, but it is offered everywhere just about. So there are many different centers that are very well known and established centers that offer energy therapy, and it is growing in its usage and in its popularity. There are many forms of energy therapy. I'm a provider of healing touch and energetic transformations. I've done a lot of training for many, many years in being a provider, but I'm also a receiver of energy therapy and am amazed by the extreme skill set and just overall well-being that I feel when I'm treated by Paola, our massage therapist, and by Katherine Nichole, who is our Reiki master and our Theta healer. We also have two more providers of energy therapy, which is Kimberly Leupold, who happens to be my mom. She is certified in healing touch, as well as a holistic nurse. And we have Sobhana, who recently joined us, and she does somatic experiencing and Reiki. So we have a wealth of energy therapy practitioners. But today I want to talk a little bit about what I've experienced from receiving this amazing care. So what I notice with energy therapy is that it helps me feel more centered, more focused, more relaxed. I'm able to kind of look at things that might seem really big and overwhelming, and after having a treatment, I can kind of see them in a different light, a different perspective. I feel calmer. There's home care things that you can do, such as self-chakra connections, which is a form of healing touch. There's meditations that you can learn. So when I receive these treatments myself, I definitely feel a really positive impact. Something that I love is what Katherine Nichole does. So she, in addition to doing a treatment for a patient, and you can even use telehealth with Katherine Nichole, which is amazing. In addition to doing a treatment, she also gives you a post intake. So she actually makes a video where she explains to you kind of what happened during the treatment, some things that you can do for self-care, basically what she kind of perceived while she was doing your treatment. And then she has visual aids and different kind of techniques for you to really integrate what she has, what she felt from your treatment and different areas that she thinks that you can work on. So whereas energy therapy used to be kind of like this ambiguous, esoteric thing that we didn't really understand, we now see it as a form of treatment, and thankfully there is a lot of science starting to back energy therapy. Science anywhere just from showing the causation and the effect of energy therapy. So case studies such as, the patient was feeling 10 out of 10 in pain and a 8 out of 10 in anxiety, and now the patient is feeling a reduction in both of those. I'll list some of the studies down here in the comments that you can see if you want to look at different science or different studies. Lots of studies showing kids who have had energy therapy, maybe who have cancer, oncology patients, or that are in ICU feeling an extreme reduction in anxiety and in different physical symptoms. It doesn't treat cancer, but it can definitely help decrease the impact of side effects and just kind of the overall well-being of a patient. So if you have questions about energy therapy, please contact us. We have a wealth of knowledge. We have these amazingly trained practitioners that are ready to answer your questions. Katherine Nichole has her very own YouTube channel, so you can reach out directly to her. Paola is somebody who performs healing touch. She's not a practitioner yet, but she does it so you actually can get a little bit of energy work in your massages with no cost because she's still a student when it comes to energy therapy. In a little while after this video is made, that might not be the case because she might be further along. So we have many ways for you to affordably get energy therapy. Like I said with Katherine Nichole, she has her own channel. She can also offer you telehealth information. So definitely check out these amazing women, these amazing providers. And then Sobhana is joining us as of this coming week. She will be available to offer Reiki and somatic experiencing, and Sobhana and myself, we can offer energy therapy along with your acupuncture treatments. So if a patient is receiving acupuncture, they can also receive the benefits of energy therapy. Or you could have somebody like Paola or Katherine Nichole work on you, as well as they can work on you while you're getting your acupuncture. So we have many different options, and there are many ways that we want to help you feel your best and stay that way.